Today, I'll show you how to check places visited on Google Maps. Google Maps can show places you have visited if location history, also called timeline, was turned on for your Google account. This can help you review past trips, restaurants, shops, routes, cities, and locations you visited on specific days. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the same Google account you used while traveling. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select your timeline. Google Maps will open your timeline page. Here, you can check your visited places by day, trip, city, or category, depending on what is available in your account. To check a specific date, tap the calendar icon. Choose the day you want to review. Google Maps will show the places you visited on that date, along with the routes between them if the data was recorded. You can tap any place to see more details, such as the name, time, and location on the map. If you want to see grouped locations, look for tabs such as Places, Cities, or Trips. These sections can help you review restaurants, attractions, shops, hotels, and other locations you have visited over time. If timeline is empty, location history may have been turned off, or the data may have been deleted. To check this, tap your profile picture, go to your data in Maps, and review your location history settings. And that's it. You now know how to check places visited on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.